Get your material and let's get this done. You are going to use 3 layers ashoke material to create this. So when you get the material, you divide it into equal parts, that is 50-50. Then fold an inch in, place on your head and cross at the back. When you cross at the back, take the excess forward like this. Now pick one of the excess you have at the front and pick up the rough pleat with it. Just pick rough pleats, you know, bit by bit. Just pick it. When you pick, others will follow. Okay, that is rough pleat. When you make the pleat, just place it right on your head like this, using your hand to push up and getting it well laid. So you're going to trace it down to the last edge. So the edge we have, we're going to arrange it as well, and we're going to take it to the back and find a way to secure it. So look at how I'm going to secure it. I'm going to raise the back up like this, then dip the excess I have in there. Now I'm left with one side of the material, but before I work with it, I use my hand to adjust the previous pleats I made. Now I made rough pleats with the other part as well. Place it on the initial one like the previous one I made, and continue to arrange like we did to the other parts. Arrange the pleats well on it, but when it's about to get to the end of the material, we're going to stop. Okay, look at my hand. So this is my pleat and I'm arranging. Now when it's about to reach the end, I just grab it with the previous pleat there, and I will secure with an office pin. So I'm going to secure with office pin there, and we're going to have the little part that is not pleated, we're going to have it here. Now I'm going to stretch it like this. Yours might be bigger than this, it's not a sin. So you're just going to direct it like this. Watch my hand, meet this one here, pick office pin, secure down, and you go to the other parts like that and secure down as well. So if you're able to do this, trust me, you are ready for your party. That Owambe you must attend with this amazing head wrap. It's easy to do, guys. Either soft material, hard material, just use your hand to control it and you are done. Okay, so I'll be using my hand to adjust all adjustables. You know, you will not want to leave it unadjusted. Adjust the necessary parts, adjust it, take your time, then push back a bit to show your hairline, and you are good to go. So I'm stopping here for today's tutorial, and next time we'll be trying something new, something different, and always nice and amazing. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.